Hey everybody, Hunter with SW Marine in Palo, Iowa here. Today we're going to do a video walkthrough tour of a couple of pontoons that we keep in stock here. I've got the Lund ZX 250 walkthrough dual seats, and over my left shoulder here I've got a Lund ZX 230 walkthrough pontoon. My 250 I have with the brown caribou fence color with the black metallic accent. Now my 230 over here is going to be the inverse of that color. Both of these trailers you can see I've got on awesome Yacht Club bunk trailers. These are tandem axle trailers with brakes on an axle. They're highway worthy. They're ready to go down the road and take you wherever you need to go in these pontoons. Everybody's first question is going to be, let's see the inside of these pontoons, and these really have a lot to offer. So without further ado, let's hop up in there and take a look at what the inside has. So the first thing that you guys are going to notice in the boat here is that the overall striking appearance of this boat. The rich color of the tantique floor paired with the two-tone quilted pillow top furniture really sets this boat off, and the furniture is even more comfortable than it looks. As far as floor plan goes, we talked about this as the walk-through dual seats. So you have a captain's chair at both the driver and the passenger position here. Now moving towards the back of the boat, guys, the functionality of this furniture is also really important. You've got storage compartments underneath all of your seating here. And the other thing you'll notice is that you have this really nice wood grain trim all the way throughout the boat. It just gives it a really high quality feel. So as we kind of come up here, in this lounge chair and all of your lounge seating, you've got storage underneath this. There's a large amount of storage in this compartment here. Moving up to midship here, in the walk-through dual seats, you do have this additional cup holder and another glove box for your passenger here. And then moving up into the front, you can see that we have this boat equipped with a fold-out changing room here. So now that we've sit down at the driver's position here, you can see that we've got a really nice wood trimmed console. You've got storage underneath here and up above in front. You got a glove box in front of the steering wheel as well. You can see that we have this boat equipped with the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo system. And then over here on the dash, there's a switch to actually run an electric bimini. This is a really nice feature to have. I'm going to demonstrate this here quickly. You can go up and down with this bimini tap. It turns this into a one-man operation, so it's not this big awkward bimini top that you're trying to get set, you know, when you're out on the water. Some of the other features at the console here, you do have tilt steering on this boat. And then talking about some of the accessory switches and gauges that are on this boat, we have an in-dash depth gauge here, as well as a GPS speedometer. We do have this boat equipped with docking lights that are switched in the dash here, as well as interior lights that you can turn on underneath the furniture here, or you can kick it up a notch and have it illuminate through all the speakers under the furniture and all the cup holders as well. Right here on the dash, you can see you've got an auxiliary port to be able to run your phone and play music from your phone through the stereo system. It also doubles as a phone charger. More importantly on this boat, there's a phone charger station with dual USB charging ports on front of the console in both of the front cup holder compartments and the passenger seating, and as well as in the glove box in your passenger seat here as well. So as we move up through the front of the boat here, guys, you've got a nice big spacious ski locker with a gas assist cylinder on here. That way you can get all of your recreational tubes, skis, anything like that stowed away without battling the lid. All right, and lastly, guys, in the front of the boat here, you can see you just have a lot of lounging space here, accompanied by even more storage. So on the back of these boats here, guys, I want to talk a little bit about what we have on power, or have these boats powered with. On my 250, I have it powered with the Mercury 300 V8 DTS engine with power steering. And on my 230, I've got it powered with the V8 250 DTS engine with power steering. Now both of these engines I'm going to have equipped with stainless steel props, and both of these pontoons are going to have the performance package as well, which is going to be a full center tune, the performance lifting strakes. They're oversized lifting strakes that are on both the inside and the outside of these pontoons, as well as an underskin liner that goes all the way up to the front of the boat. Part of that performance package is that you have a 49-gallon fuel tank, also with a remote fill on the port side of the boat here. As far as performance goes here, we've got a two-part nose cone here, splash guard, as well as a bend in the metal here that's designed to splash the water away well before it gets up into the bottom of the boat. What that does is it gives you the maximum amount of performance, the least amount of drag with the water going underneath the boat here. And with those lifting strakes and everything added all together with that performance package, you're gonna get really good top end speeds. I can say from personal experience, I got to drive this 250 at the Lund dealer meeting last summer, and we had it going over 50 miles an hour. So I'd also like to quickly point out the ski tow bar and the oversized heavy duty 4-step boarding ladder that this boat's equipped with. So that wraps up everything today, guys, as far as the ZX Pontoons. If you guys have any questions, give us a call out here at the shop. Our phone number is 319-851-3825, and thanks for watching.